Welcome back, everybody. This is Amy from Crafty Aims Workshop, and we are again working on the Mayberry Street Miniature DIY Dollhouse Summertime Cottage. And again, you can get this at Hobby Lobby. This time around, I went ahead and just prepared all of the pieces because it's such a headache. It took me probably half an hour or more just to get all of this together, because you have to go through all the bag, or you have to go through, on this one it was mainly just one bag and then maybe one or two things from another bag, and then you have to figure out which page you're getting your other stuff from, like the prints that go on the cabinets, and then you've got your mirror again, so we know what we're doing this time. And I thought this time I would just have it all set out and ready to go, cut out. All we have to do is now put it together. So that's what we're going to do today. Today we are working on the roaster, and I'll bring it over here for you so you can see. So this is the full page. So that's what we're going to do today. One thing I did not cut out already, and that is the books. And we'll just do that when we get to it, because there's a bunch of them. So, alrighty. Before I get started, of course I have to ask you to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and like the video if you like what I'm doing. Alright, here we go. Two with the mirror plate paper on them. It's white on one side and then the paper on the other, and I got glue on it, so hopefully when it dries I can wipe it off and you won't see that on there. You can't see these, but those are just plastic clear plastic pieces that are gonna go on top. Okay, tip number 1 for today is always keep the glue off your fingers, and as soon as you get done with one item, take the glue off the tool you're using, or it's going to ruin the next item that you're doing. We're getting there. We are getting there. Now these two were made on the last episode. These were extra, so we're gonna just use these for the next part. So they're wanting me to go 2.3 centimeters with each shelf, but that doesn't work. So I'm going to eyeball it. Look at 2.3 centimeters would be, oops, would be right there, that one. Well, if I put a shelf there and then go 2.3 again, that would be right there. That would be like a teeny tiny space right there, and the picture does not show that. So I'm going to continue to eyeball all this stuff because it seems like my eyeball is better than their measurements. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this so you can see, but my hand has to be in there. And that's crooked. No!